In today's tutorial on eClicks, I will be showing you how many people are making thousands of dollars a month in passive income just by cutting and pasting kids' videos on YouTube. Yes, I said cutting and pasting kids' videos. And this is mind-blowing. Let me show you. This is a YouTube channel that makes videos for kids. If you go to socialblade.com, you will see that this channel is making $2 million per month. I'm going to show you how you can create your own animated videos using AI. Now let's go over to ChatGPT, and you're going to ask ChatGPT to write you a 5-minute script for a YouTube video for any kid's story. I'm going to use Skip the Dog. ChatGPT is going to write you an entire script and you're going to copy that script. Then go to Steve.ai and you'll paste your script right here. And then Steve.ai is going to create the video for you. And then you'll take your video, create a brand new channel on YouTube and post one of these videos per day. And this can turn into a lot of passive income for you if you just spend a couple minutes a day. Follow me for more way to make money online.